Please subscribe Tech and Gadget and hit the bell icon so that you would not miss any video from Tech and Gadget. Subscribe because it's free, and hit the bell icon to remain notified of new videos from Tech and Gadget.
Open your eyes. The things you see today are tomorrow's ancient history. If you're not a part of the evolution when the view changes, you'll fall behind. Technology is always in motion. It is in our nature to see it, capture it, share it. The innovations of tomorrow will be possible today. Open your eyes. Can you see it?
You can subscribe by clicking on the circle. You can also subscribe by clicking on the tiny button on the corner of your screen. You can watch my other videos by clicking on them. Please like and share my videos on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram and Snapchat. Hope you love this video and I will see you in my next video.